eigenvalues, we can assume this matrix as A. So to find the eigenvalues, we do A minus lambda into identity element equals to 0. From this we have minus lambda 0 0 0 1 minus lambda 0 minus 2 0 1 minus lambda 1 0 0 1 2 minus lambda must be equals to 0. So if we expand along this row, then we have this value as minus lambda. We have to exclude this row and column, so remaining minus lambda 0 minus 2 1 minus lambda 1 0 1 2 minus lambda, this equals to 0. So from this lambda we have lambda equals to 0, an eigenvalue among these 4. So we may assume that this is delta. Now it remains 3, alpha, beta and gamma. For these 3 we simplify this. Now we expand this along this row. Expansion gives us minus lambda 1 1 2 minus lambda, and thereafter minus 2, this minus 2 1 0 minus lambda 1, this must be 0. Now minus lambda, here minus 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 1 minus 2 and 1 must be equal to 0. Now minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square plus lambda minus 2 equals to 0. Now we have to solve this. We can write this same equation as lambda cube minus 2 lambda square minus lambda plus 2. You see that one is a solution of this and there is a other way without solving. You know that we have already a eigenvalue delta equals to 0, so it remains 3. So a cubic equation you have, and roots of this cubic equation is alpha, beta and gamma, and we know that sum of roots is minus of this coefficient by 1, so here will be 2, and product of 2 taken at a time, that is alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, will be this value equals to this value, coefficient of lambda by coefficient of lambda cube, so minus 1, this is minus 1. Now we can find alpha plus beta plus gamma square equals to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 alpha beta gamma alpha plus beta gamma. Now this thing is here 4 and this is alpha square and this here minus 1, so minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2, so this will be alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equals to 6. And in the question we have to find alpha square, beta square, gamma square, delta square. We can add delta square because here you have delta is 0, so adding in this delta square that is 0 square gives the same value 6, so here in the blank space we have to write 6.